Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two or three PDF files. Like suppose I have two different PDF files and I just want to merge this into one single file. So how I can do this? So it's very simple. We just need to follow these simple steps. First of all, go to the Google Chrome and here we need to type I love PDF. This is the first link we need to follow. Just click on this link. And here we have an option merge PDF. It is simply written combine PDF according to your desirement and order. Just select the PDF files you wanna merge. So I wanna merge these two PDF files. First one, this one test and this one. Just merge these two files. Click on the merge PDF files and here we need to download this. Just go and check our desired result. So here you can see that these both PDF files are merged in one single file. So by using this simple step and with one click, you can easily merge your PDF files into one file. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.